this is a proven way to grow out your hair long, like longer than you expect. And that is by building a hair care regimen. I know a lot of us have heard so much about building a hair regimen, but we don't fully understand what it is, what it entails, how to go about it. Worry no more, because I'm going to be telling you how to go about this in just 5 simple steps. Number 1 would be to do a research. Like, is there anything in this life that you want to do that you don't research about? You research about practically everything. Like, some of us, we need to change our hair products, and we need to research about the hair product that is good for us, either by content based or price based. Researching your hair type is one key factor a lot of us miss out on. We think that is not important, but it is very, very important. If you miss it on this first step, then you miss it in all. Like, trust me, guaranteed, you will miss it in all. Researching your hair type. What is your hair texture? How is your hair like? Taking out time to know your specific hair type is very key. Now, some of us might think that is not important, but what about some of us that we are complaining that your hair is not growing, this product is not working? You just buy a product and in 2 months you're saying the product is not working. Yes, why it might not work for you might be because it doesn't work for your hair type, and you probably must have seen it work, for someone out there, and it's not working for you. That is because it's not working for your specific kind of hair. So you have to take time out to know your specific hair type and keep that at the back of your mind when you want to select your hair products. Number 2 is going to be figure out your goals. So while creating a hair regimen, it is important to understand your hair goals. What are your hair goals? Can it be that you just want a longer hair? Or could it be that you want a healthy hair? And some people, it could be for them that they just want to know how to style their hair. So which category do you fall into? So knowing which one you want will help you to decide the steps you have to take in your hair care regimen. Number 3, choosing the right products. So once you can now say, this is my hair goal, I want a healthy hair, I want a long hair, or I just want to know how to style my hair. Now you can now go into looking for the right products for you. So you now have to consider what kind of product you want to use, what natural ingredient is best for you. Do you need a leave-in conditioner? Do you need a moisturizer to style your hair? And what that product is specifically created for. What and what should your product contain in order for you to have that desired goal of yours? So number 4 will be create a detailed regimen. Once you know your hair type and know your hair goal and you've chosen your product, create a detailed regimen that includes how, when to use those products. Include procedures like scalp massages, deep conditioning treatments, mask, steaming in your hair care regimen to suit your specific goals. For each of these goals, either you're looking for health, you're looking for length, or you're looking for styling, there are specific routines, specific process, specific procedures that will help you to achieve each of those goals. Number 5 will be stick to the regimen. Natural hair care requires patience and consistency. So you have to stick to it and be consistent with it, and be patient also. Sometimes it might not work out the way you expect it to work out, but you have to be patient. It might take a while for you to see the desired results that you're looking for, but once you are consistent with it and you keep doing what you're doing, as long as you're seeing the health in your hair, trust me guys, your hair is going to grow, is going to flourish without a doubt. So you just have to be patient. And I know some of us want this as quick as possible. Like, I've been sharing tips on how to maintain your hair, how to grow your hair. Like, I post them on my Facebook. And by the way, if you have not been following me on my Facebook and you're here on this channel, then please, I'm going to post my Facebook handle on the screen, so you can search for me on Facebook, because I also do write-ups there where I explain a lot of things, because sometimes it's important to join communities, join people that will help you to, understand your natural hair better. But one thing I've discovered is that a lot of us don't want to hear the raw truth. Like, we don't want to follow people who tell you that it is not easy, it might take a while, but you just have to keep doing what you're doing. We just want to follow people that will just tell you that use this product and by tomorrow your hair will grow out like a weed. Like, guys, we need to start telling ourselves the truth. The natural hair community is so large, it's so huge, and these days a lot of people are coming up with different stuff, and you just have to be wise and just be prudent with whatever you're doing, because it's going to affect your hair in the long run. Whether you decide to do something good that is beneficial for your hair, or you decide to join the bandwagon and just do anything that comes your way, it's going to tell out in your hair growth. So this is just the 5 things that you must include when you want to create your natural hair regimen. We talked about research. I say find your goal. Know what it is you're looking for in growing out your natural hair. What is most appealing to you? Is it length? Is it health? Is it just, I just want to style my hair? Know which one that you're looking for. And then number 3, I talk about choosing the products for that specific goal. The length, the health, the styling. Look for products that suit that goal. Then number 4, I said create a detailed regimen. The process, things that you do that will help you to achieve your goal using the right products. Then number 5, I also said you should stick to the regimen. Stick to it. You don't have to jump from one thing to the other. Stick to what you know works for you. It might take a while, but with time you'll get to where you need to get to. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real G. I love you guys and I appreciate you so much for engaging with my comments. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about what I just said, like creating a healthy hair regimen. We're all about health, length, and everything in between. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.